Hey guys, this is Karan from PowerSports International, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the MT KRE Plus. PowerSports has just launched the KRE Plus helmet in India, and I'm going to give you an unboxing experience with some information as to what comes inside the box. The KRE Plus is India's first FIM homologated helmet, and it is an absolute weapon on the track. So this helmet is worn by the Moto 3 world champion Pedro Acosta and Sergio Garcia. Inside the box of the KRE Plus, obviously this is a very massive box. It comes very well protected with these foam pieces. Inside the massive box of the KRE Plus, you get a very well designed bag for you to carry your helmet in. It comes with an additional smoke visor. So the KRE Plus offers you a set of 5 tear-offs that you can attach to your visor so that you can use while you're on track. And it comes with a Pinlock 70 for fog resistance on your visor. So the MT KRE Plus comes in this very cool looking bag which you can use to both store and carry your helmet around. So now I'm going to take out the helmet from the bag. Inside the bag of the KRE Plus is the helmet itself, and this helmet is protected by an additional dust bag. So this bag comes with the KRE branding. Okay. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, this is the MT KRE Plus. So this helmet, along with all these goodies, are now available on the PowerSports International network for just Rs 40,000. So you should go check it out now.